I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching hardware to the PC. Identify whether your Xbox 360 headset uses the controllers too. 5mm jack or a USB adapter. Once identified, plug the headset into the controller if using the wired controller path, then connect the controller to the PC via USB. Make sure Windows recognizes the controller and install Microsoft's Xbox 360 drivers or the Accessories app. If your PC lacks the correct jack, connect a USB sound adapter now so audio routing later will be possible without extra troubleshooting. Once drivers are installed, open Windows Sound Settings and view both playback and recording tabs to locate the headset or USB adapter entry. Set that device as both default playback and default communication so game and chat audio route correctly. Next, open Properties, go to Levels and increase microphone gain moderately. Then check Advanced and pick 16-bit, 44100 Hz for compatibility. Make sure Exclusive Mode is unchecked. These steps ensure consistent input/output and prevent sample rate conflicts that cause crackling or muted audio. Finally, verify everything. Open Voice Recorder or a communication app and record, then play media to confirm both mic and audio output work. If speech is faint, increase mic boost or move the mic closer. If audio is one-sided, check mono/stereo settings. If nothing registers, make sure the controller is powered, try a different USB port, and restart the audio service. As a last resort, reinstall the Xbox 360 drivers or use a powered USB hub. These fixes resolve most recognition and power-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.